Hey YouTube, it's your girl Jamina Love back with another video. Welcome back, welcome back. How are you doing, my busy bees? Staying busy, I hope. Keeping it sexy, child. We try to always. Today is a hand video. I'm nothing but hands. I found this at Walmart for $3.75. I was like, what are you? And everybody's been into these mystery boxes. My kids love them. So I was like, I might as well do one with you guys and with my shorty. Well, the bug. The bug is in the house. See the hands. Alright, let's tear into this. It's supposed to have 8 toys in it, but it looks like it has way more. And because it's on sale, I'm assuming some may be missing. But, whoa. That's everything. Okay, so we got this mystery pack. So that's 1. This one's pretty big. 2. 3. Little one. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay. So none are missing, 2 extra. Let's open them up. Alright, go ahead, bug. Now, don't be too wild. Because we don't want to cut any strings. We don't know what's in here. So, first thing out the bag. Oh, our bracelets.
Cute.
They're little bangle bracelets.
Yeah.
One shaped like a pig, one shaped like a cow.
And one shaped like a dolphin.
Alright, next thing. Makes you feel so you don't cut any string. That should be good. Tear into it. Ew.
And
Some cockroaches.
Some fake cockroaches.
That'd be great to scare Nana with.
It's like,
alright, next.
to prank your friends or something, you can use that for that stuff.
Oh, terrible. These are terrible. Ah, it's a little car.
Yeah, it's only came with one car, blue car.
So it's a little car.
That car is beautiful.
Oh, he's a pull back and go.
Yeah.
Open the next one.
This one is the next one.
These would have been great for Easter. Put one in each egg or something.
Ooh,
a duck whistle. It's a whistle. It's a duck whistle.
So, let's try this out. Because it's a duck whistle. What if we just try it out?
Okay, try it out. Not too long. Just a little short. There you go. A little short burst. So you sound like a duck. Yep, well, that's what it is.
Yeah, but
next
that's
one.
Cute.
These are cute little cheapy
Yeah,
toys.
you could cut this one.
For $3.75, it wasn't too bad. Ah,
Ooh.
a little pop and snap frog. You remember those, you guys? No, it goes like this. You set it down, it pops. Wait, just let it sit.
Oh!
That's what it does.
One last one. Boom.
Alright, next one.
It's a toy corner. It's right there where you are.
I'm going to tear into this one. Ah, there's
and I will
squishies.
tear into this one.
So, 5-pack of squishies.
Those Easter egg toys or something.
Ah, this is a little spin toy.
This is the last of the little packs. No,
Alright, let's go into the big one.
Packs. You first. Because this is all just food packs. So we will both open these.
Yeah, you want me to put this together first real quick, right?
Yeah. Let's just open this first.
So it looks like you just put the top in the bottom.
Yeah.
And you lock it.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
If I can get it to lock.
Yeah, but...
There we go, it's locked. And then you stick it.
Or it isn't. And then this is the key to make this spin.
Mm-hmm.
Spin around.
See, and where does that go? Right, and then it kind of spins. But let's move on to the next. Because we don't have much filming time. Move on to the big one. Some decals of sun, moon, and stars that can be glow in the dark. That's not bad.
And some bubbles.
Right.
Bubble, roll.
Alright, next bag. Last bag. Last but not least.
Yeah, look at that bag. That is a skinny one. That is so skinny. Last bag is so skinny. I think it's a skinny toy or paper.
I think it's plain.
Yeah.
So that's very nice.
This
So alright, you guys. Thank you so much for spending time with us. We really appreciate the next one. You guys be good to each other. Do something nice for yourself. Don't be a stranger. Leave me a comment. Subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Hands. Bye.